Okay, we're starting, guys. Okay, today is March 7th. My name is Crypto SaaS Guy. I'm going to be teaching you how to make money in the current crypto market. So, what we experienced this past week, we're going to do a review of this week. We're going to do a review of this week. So, here's what's been going on with Bitcoin. Right now, what you're looking at is a chart of what you call support and resistance. Support is right here where you buy, right here. Resistance is here. So we got support, we got resistance, we got support, resistance. Then we had a breakout right here. Came up here, got rejected. We lost some support here. Now we're on our way down to come back and test this area here. We're coming down. It's going to end. Bitcoin is going to come somewhere in this range. So right now we got this downtrend. For those of you, that's a lot of people struggle with knowing how to find your support and resistance. Support is where the price doesn't want to drop below. So what you do, as you can see, I'm on a 2-hour time frame. You can come to the higher time frames. Let's go to the 4-hour. This is perfect. You can come to the 4-hour time frame. I'm on tradingview.com. This is where we analyze our charts. And you can see where the low is. Now, little stuff like this is just to get traders. This is what I call noise. When we lose the support, this is just most of the time the market makers just going for liquidity. So you got to be careful of that. But most of the time we're returning back home right here. So the whole point of this lesson, what I want to talk to you guys today is about how to make money in smaller market caps when Bitcoin is moving more so like this. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame because you're going to see this a lot of times. Right here, Bitcoin moving sideways movement. These sideways movements, sometimes Monday, Tuesday, we have a lot of these times when Bitcoin is just doing nothing but moving sideways. And, the volume's low and it get real boring in the market and people can't really make that much money. So what I wanted today's class to be about is how to make money when Bitcoin is slow. So that's what we're going to talk about. Okay, so we hit a couple different plays. When Bitcoin is slow, check this out. Bitcoin's dominance, when Bitcoin is slow, right, the volume is going to be down. There's not going to be that much volatility, right? So what I'm saying is when Bitcoin is slow, here's what I do. I come to crypto bubbles. And what I do is I do just like this. I come here. You got your 1 through 100 crypto coins, your 1 through 200, 200, 300. So let's just say here, right here. And what I would do is, okay, this coin up 475%. What I would do is I will see what's up for the day. So we got this, Cash Network, Banana for Scale. Now, do I know what these coins is? I don't. But if they're up for the day, that means everybody is looking for them. That means there's high volume. So mainly what I'm looking for when Bitcoin is slow, I'm looking to find a coin that has high volume. What volume means is there's a lot of people making transactions. For example, what we're going to do in this class is we're going to do a replay of some of the coins that we found. So here's one of them, for instance. This is power. This is power. Let's get rid of this, get rid of this, get rid of this. Let's just clear everything off. This is power. As you can see, it's highly volatile. Now, the thing about these coins is you have to be very careful when you're trading it with leverage because it's super high volatile. Well, high volatility means it goes up. It goes up big, then it goes down big. It's all over the place. So we're going to talk about how to manage these coins because the current crypto market condition is you got to know how to manage these. So, for example, something like this, they still follow the same rules, but what we're going to do is we're going to lower our leverage. So check this out. What I'm doing is I'm marking up the support. Support. Now, this is the aerial candles. Support right here. Look. Support right here is where the price doesn't want to drop below. Once we lost that line, then we came down here, playing games. We lost the support. and then boom, just instantly take. So here's the trick that y'all need to know, right? If you do this, you will make a lot of money. Now, some of y'all looking at this chart like, oh man, this don't look too good. Don't try to make the money with these coins going up like this. Wait for the down and just short it. That if somebody would have told me this a long time ago, I would be making a lot of money. Don't chase the money. The guarantee is that these coins is always going to tank because they have low value. I mean, they have low quality. For example, here's another coin called Burdu. No, let's go to Huma. Man, we had a guy in the Profit Squad do 245% off of this right here going up. So we had a guy do 245%. So I got two things I want to teach y'all. He did 245% off this coin going up. And basically what we're monitoring is where can we find the volume? Because where the volume is, everybody write this down. Where the volume is, that's where the money is. So attention. So if you're a meme coin trader, you already know this. Money goes where attention lies. So money goes where attention is. So if you come here to Crypto Bubbles, for example, this coin up 475%. People gonna come here and be like, dang, what is that? So let's Fraser AI. So that's the narrative that's really happening in crypto. There's a lot of different narratives. What I mean by that is like in meme coins, you got narratives. Right now, we got the large market caps. Large market caps is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, your traditional coins. But right now, a lot of the money is going to the meme coins and the AI coins. So what that means is in the profit squad, we're getting our money. We usually trade Bitcoin every day, right? Bitcoin is our safety net. What that means is we're going to get that money there no matter what. Every day we got Bitcoin mastered with all these lines and stuff like that and our custom indicators. With this setup here, we got this stuff mastered. We know everything that's going to happen to Bitcoin. For example, in the profit squad, I told you at 73,000, it's coming back down here to this 66. We got this stuff mastered. We see this down. But these coins, a lot of you guys in the profit squad, let's go back to Huma. A lot of you guys in here don't have a lot of capital. It's some that have a lot of capital, some don't. Okay? So those of you that don't have a lot of capital, what you do is you're not going to risk your whole account, but you're going to risk a little bit of capital, which we call margin. Margin is how much money you put on the trade. So we're going to take a little bit, whatever a little bit is to you, and then you put it in these coins, and this is how you turn 200 into 2,000, 3,000, because these coins are so volatile. So now another thing that I want to teach you guys, and we're going to take questions at the end, but this is going to be recorded because I'm dropping a lot of knowledge and I want you to pay attention to what I got on my screen. So this is Huma, right? It's a penny, 0.01538. Now, this is the support line. How do I know it's support? This was like support here. But if I come out here to the higher time frames, I can see why I called that support. Because right here is where it got rejected. I came here and got rejected. So this is traditional movement. This is resistance becomes support. So what I'm doing is I'm waiting for this to come down. This is another way we making ridiculous amount of money in the profit squad, guys. Y'all see these white lines? That's called alerts. So everybody in the profit squad, I want you to learn how to set alerts. So since the crypto market is 24/7, right? Some of y'all be waiting for the market to break out of your support resistance. It could be trading like this forever, a long time moving sideways. But you need alerts like here. You need alerts if it breaks the support. So check this out. I want y'all to see what happened here. Start new. Pay attention to where I have my alerts. Let's go to play. Oh, it doesn't show my alerts. Okay. Let me pause it. If you look right here though, I set alerts so I can make money like a pro. That's why this class is so valuable. Because this is how you run up $10,000, $20,000 in a week right here. You see this alert? Look how this thing bounced off of here. This was support. It bounced off of here. I said alert, and I always put my alert just in case it loses below the support, just in case they do liquidity sweeps or they come back to the support. I ain't got time for that. I put my alert right here. Man, this thing came straight down. Money in my pocket just because I got an alert. Now we're going to take questions at the end, but look, I got another alert right here. Why do I got another alert on this coin? Because I'm waiting for it to come down. So I could do just like this here and do it, hit them again. That's how you make money. That's how you make money. That's how you make money. So let's take a random crypto coin just to show you how the power of this. This is Fraser AI. We're going to take this random crypto coin. I never looked at it. And let me see how to spell it. Okay, there it is. It just got on Coinbase. So look, a coin like this is some real game. A coin like this that is going straight up. Everybody gonna try to chase it because you think it's going up forever. This is the people that lose money. Be a boss. Don't chase the money. Do like this. This is how you make money. Wait for the coin to come down and crash it down. Nothing is guaranteed, but get the closest thing to guaranteed. So look, what I'm gonna do is let's come over here to the weekly. All right, I'm gonna go to the daily. So how I analyze the asset is I look at the whole entirety of the history. So automatic, I'm saying, okay, this thing is crazy because this don't look right, right? Everybody can agree. I'm assuming all of y'all said yes. So this is a downtrend, right? So okay, bet. So then I come here and I say to myself, where's the support? Well, then I see support is here. Boom. How do I know that support? Because look at that. I got my area candles. I know it keep coming back to this area of interest. And if you pay attention here, this is where it got rejected. We got the little tiny double top. Boom. So I'm like, okay, this coin is volatile. That's what I say to myself. Crypto SaaS guy said to himself, this coin is volatile. Okay, so I come back here and I look. Okay, why? Then I say to myself, well, why did the price action stop right here? So I mark it up. Look, why? I want to know why we start right here. So all of a sudden I can see, oh, area candle, the candle closed here. Well, how do I know we close here? Because this is a wick. This is called a doji candle. Everybody pay attention. This is a doji candle. This looks like a plus sign almost. Doji candle. On the area candle, you can't even see the doji. That's why sometimes I like trading with this area. These are different. Area is one of my favorite because the area just shows you where the candle closed. Now let me show you, because this is what we're going to be doing a lot this week, because this is the current conditions of the market. Now, narratives can change really fast, but you got to know how to get money in all market conditions. So boom. This is how you set an alert, everybody on TradingView. So say, for example, I know I got rejected here, and I know I'm bouncing off of here. Let's come back to the 4-hour time frame. I want to come. Check this out. So bet. This is how you make money, guys. This is some real stuff. And then we're going to take questions. You're going to set an alert right here. Add alert. Bang. And we also going to set an alert right here. I'm going to set 2 alerts. One right here. Why do I want to set alert? Because look, I want to know if this thing decides to break out, I'm gonna get that money on the loan. Or I want to know if this thing decides to go down. Now that's boss moves. That means no matter what this crypto coin decides to do, I'm getting that money. No matter, that's how I need y'all learning how to make money because it's a probability. So instead of guessing like all of these people, if I come over here to Coin Glass, look at these. Look how much people lost money. We come over here to liquidation. Look at all these people that lost money. Liquidation. It's loading up. In the last hour, $4 million was lost. 654,000. Now this is low because it's Saturday. It's low volume in the market because everybody made a lot of money this week. But in the last 24 hours, 69,000 people lost all their money that they put on the trade. So that total liquidation comes up to $128 million. So what that means is those people didn't learn how to be patient. Those people didn't learn how to be patient. So today's class is about how to use smaller market caps to make money, crypto bubbles, and how to set alerts. Because I'm already seeing the market conditions. You guys going to be doing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take questions. I want to know what y'all struggling with it. We're going to pause this. And if you're watching this on YouTube, my name is Crypto Sass Guy. Make sure you like and subscribe. We got the #1 investing community in the world. It's not even close. They're not even coming. When I look to my right, I see nobody. That's how far up we is. Okay. So join the Profit Squad. We're teaching lessons like this. Now we're going to take questions. I'm going to pause this. Pause the recording. Okay. Give me 1 second. How to figure out pause this thing. Okay, there we